Hey guys, Mike Bills. Welcome back to another quick video. Today we're going to be upgrading the headlight assemblies on my 2004 Chevy Silverado. This is a really nice old truck. I love this truck so much, but the headlights are kind of getting kind of nasty. So my plan is to go from the headlights kind of looking like this to looking like this. I had a company called Hawklow reach out to me and they offered to send me a set of their headlight housings to try out on this truck. They also gave me a discount code and a link I'm going to put down in the description if you guys want to go check these out for yourself. But today we're going to install these. We're going to take a closer look at the headlight housings and I'll show you the before and after we have these all installed. Throw them on the truck and you guys can see what you guys think about them. I've been an automotive technician for almost 10 years and a lot of aftermarket housings, I'm going to be honest, I really don't like, especially for this price. So we're going to see how good these are for the money and if you guys should try them out or not. Because of the design of Chevy headlights, this will take you literally 5 minutes to upgrade. If you're wanting to do this to your Chevy truck, Chevy Tahoe, Chevy Suburban, this takes literally 5 minutes. All right, we're gonna go quickly pop open these lights and see what they look like. All right, I'm gonna get all these laid out and we'll take a closer look at them. We have the new headlight lenses, as y'all can see laid out right now. These are a smoked style lens. These do look really awesome, and I think they're gonna look really nice on the truck. So now we're gonna go ahead and pull the old assemblies off the truck, transfer all the bulbs into these assemblies, get these put on the truck. As far as my initial impression on the lenses thus far, they do look pretty nice. They feel really heavy. They do feel like they use a lot of material. They look like they're pretty good quality. The plastic doesn't appear really cheap to me, so that's good for an aftermarket headlight. That's kind of something I personally look for. The lenses appear nice and thick, so you're not going to get any chips or rock cracks from those very easily. And they should hold up really well, and only time will tell. But so far, so good. They look really nice. The mounting tabs on there look really nice, real thick and beefy. They don't feel like they want to bend or nothing crazy. The adjustment looks really nice. That's to adjust your beam. All that looks really good. And same thing with the lower lights. These also look very well made. Nice little clip and everything looks good. Lens looks really thick and nice. I'm also curious to see how well sealed these are, but only time will tell if we ever get any sort of condensation in the lenses or not. So here are the original headlights on the truck. As y'all can see, they're pretty rough, they're pretty faded. The clear coat's starting to get all nasty and hazy on them. Bottom lenses don't look too bad, but this side's actually broken, so the headlight doesn't even stay in the truck anymore. And same for this one, pretty hazy. I've already done LED upgrade bulbs in these headlight assemblies, so we're just gonna literally transfer everything from these headlights to the new headlights, get these bad boys installed, and we'll see what the final product looks like. And there we go, they come out very easy on these Chevys. All right, so we're gonna start with our bottom light first, and all we're gonna do is take our bulbs and just screw them in. I will say with a lot of aftermarket headlights, something I found over the years is when you go to twist these in, the bulbs themselves, there's a seal in there, and sometimes the holes are not made right or they are very loose clearances and they don't fit very well, but I will say these fit very nicely. And the reason that's important is because there is a seal right here to keep water out of the headlight lenses, so these are very tight in there. I really love to see that, and they clicked right in and fit perfect. Boom, that one's in. Do the top one. All right guys, one thing I noticed on my specific set of headlights is the hole right here at the top where the pin slides in to lock the headlight in is a little bit too small. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a drill and drill those out just a little bit. I would rather they be too small than too big, because if they're too big, you're gonna have a lot of play in your headlight, versus if they're too small, you can kind of drill the hole out and size it the way you want to get a nice tight fit so your headlights do not move, because you don't want that. There we go, just like that. Perfect hole size, the pin fits nice and tight. And that's it, all done. So here's both headlights fully installed on both sides. They look really nice. And once it gets dark here in about an hour, I'm gonna turn these on at night so you guys can see what they look like. All right guys, here's what the lights look like at night. As y'all can see, they are extremely bright. Now the bulbs do help a lot, so I would recommend if you're gonna run these housings, do run a quality LED bulb. But yeah, they look freaking awesome. Put out a lot of light, the light's very clear. Also, the beam pattern is very well focused, because on a lot of housings, sometimes the beam pattern isn't well focused as well. Well, there you have it guys, brand new housing installed. These things look absolutely killer. The fit and finish is very nice on these things. Other than having to drill the hole out, they fit literally perfect. They fit in here very snug, there's no play. The bulb sockets are very nicely made and the bulbs fit in there very snug. That's what you wanna see in a headlight assembly. So I believe these are really good, especially for the price. I'm gonna leave a discount code and a link to the product down in the description, so you guys, if you wanna go check it out for yourself. They make other different housings for other vehicles, as well as rear taillight assemblies and much more than that.